Yes. So dictionary represents an unordered collection of atoms. So what do you mean by unordered? See, ordered means it is in proper sequence. And whenever you are saying say unordered, it means sequence doesn't matter. For example, consider the example of list. In case of list, whenever you are writing all the elements of the list in a square bracket, there is an index. For example, this is comma, this is comma. Say this is A, B and C. So for the list, this represents the zeroth index. After that, this is the first. This is the second. So this is what? This is ordered collection. It means the sequence matters. Whereas in case of dictionary, it represents unordered collection. It means here the sequence doesn't matter. So remember to write this word whenever you are mentioning dictionary. Now we'll read it again. It is an unordered collection of atoms where each atom consists of a key and a value. So we'll understand what is this key and value. So yeah, first understand this as a list. Whenever you are writing the items of the list, there is only one item, say A, after that B, then C, and everything is separated by comma. Whereas in case of dictionary, there is a key and then value. For example, say I am writing the days of the week. Then say key will be 1, 2, 3, say up to 7. And 1 represents a value, it says Sunday, then 2 represents say Monday, and so on. It means each day of week represents the value and say this number represents the key. You will understand it in more detail when we will create a dictionary. So yeah, see, this is the example of dictionary. Here DICT represents the variable, and now we'll see how to create a dictionary. So whenever you are dealing with dictionary, it is enclosed in a curly braces like this, and each atom is separated from other by using comma, as it is for the list, tuple and other data types. But within that each atom, there is a key and a value, and they are separated by the colon. For example, this is the dictionary and the name of the dictionary is DICT, and it has say 2 keys. So what are the keys? First key is a subject and other key is a class. So subject is a key. It means it will point to one subject, and now it is pointing to say computer science. So this is a value. So computer science is a value and key is a subject. Similarly, again in this case, class represents the key and 11 represents the value. So remember this, key and value are separated by colon, whereas each pair of key and value constitute as a one atom of the dictionary, and every atom of the dictionary is separated from other atom, that is other key value pair, using which punctuation mark? That is comma. So this is how you will create a dictionary. Now we'll see how to update the dictionary. Say this dictionary is DICT. Again, it has same keys, say subject and class. So these are 2 keys and the values are history and 11. Now DICT subject. It means now I am accessing key, that is subject of this dictionary, but I am now updating. It means I am changing it to computer science. Initially it is history, but now I want to update or manipulate it to a computer science. So how will I change it? For example, in case of list, if you want to change it, how will you change it? You will say L, and then you will pass say index, whether it is 0, 1, 2, and then you will say L0 is equal to say I want to make it say CS. So you will change it like this. But in case of dictionary, you will change or update using keys, that is in this case it is a subject. So you will write like this, DICT subject is equal to computer science, and after that you will print that updated dictionary. So this is how you will update the elements of the dictionary.
Ma'am?
Yes?
थोड़ा सा आयशा को मैम थोड़ा ऐड कर दें कि मैम वो तब से रिक्वेस्ट भेज रही है
Okay,
मैम
okay,
बोल
okay. I will check it. Aisha, yeah, admitted. Thank you. I will mark her present as well. So now all the students are present. Very good. Very punctual class. Yes, so this is about updating or manipulating dictionary elements. Now we'll see how to delete the elements of the dictionary. As you can add the elements, you must be able to delete the elements. So this is the procedure to delete the elements. So del, this statement is used to remove the elements from the dictionary. Now again I created another dictionary. Name of the dictionary is say DICT. And again the keys are, what are the keys of this dictionary? Who will tell me?
And subject and
Class.
yes,
Very
other
good.
class.
Yes. So these are the keys. Now I want to delete. Yeah, another student. Tell me what are the values?
In geography 11.
Very good. So these are the values. Now we will see how to delete it. See, you will write like this: del representing delete. Then write the name of the variable, that is dict, and then pass key. See, I want to delete this pair, that is key value pair of the dictionary. But what are the things that I will pass it to that function or to that variable? I will pass only class, that is a key. So I will write del space. Remember to leave here space, otherwise it will throw you error as it is asked by Anshuman. So please note syntax. If there is a space, then you must leave that space, otherwise that will be error. So del space, then dict, and then pass class. So now it will delete the single element. So class will be deleted. So what is the remaining thing in the dictionary? So it will now print only subject as geography. So this is how you will delete single element from the dictionary. Now we'll see what is clear method. So clear method, yeah, in this method using del, you can delete or remove one key or say particular element from the dictionary. But now consider a case that you want to delete each and every, that is all the elements of the dictionary. So how will you delete it? So for that you have clear method. So now consider this example again. There is dictionary, say it consists of say two key value pair, and then you will write down dict dot clear. So what do you mean by this dot clear? It is a method. What is this? It is a method, or it is also known as function. So using or by invoking this method, you will delete all the elements. So this is initialization of dictionary, then you are invoking clear method, and then you are printing after clearing that dictionary, that is a variable. So what will be the output? Say after clear will be printed as it is, as it is a part of print function, it will be here, and then dictionary, as all the elements of the dictionary are deleted. So subject is deleted, class is deleted, so what is remaining now? Nothing. That's why it's an empty dictionary, that is only this curly brackets are there and nothing is there. Is it clear, students? So whenever you want to delete all the elements, you will use clear method. So remember this. Now as in case of say string, list, tuple, you will tell me the method that we use to count the length of that particular data type or say that variable. Which method was used to count or to calculate the length of string or length of tuple or length of list?
And len dot brackets.
Yes. It is len. That is len. So remember that method. It is not dot. Variable is passed within the brackets. but the method is correct, that is LEN. So yes, it gives the total length of the dictionary and it is equal to the number of atoms in the dictionary. So who will tell me what is the length of this dictionary? Instead of this, tell me what is the length of this dictionary?
Ma'am, 137.
37? No. Total length
Ma'am,
of, huh?
ma'am, 1 and 37.
One and that. No. See, what do you mean by length? It is equal to the number of atoms in the dictionary. So, tell me what is the number of atoms in this dictionary?
4.
4. So, who was that student? Yes? किसने आंसर किया 4? See, remember, there are total number of atoms that are present in the dictionary. Whenever you are asked such a question, don't count key and value as a separate one, but key and value both together represents only one atom. So remember this. So in this case, name and Aman are one entity or one element or one atom, and then age and 37 represents the other element or other atom. So is it clear? So whenever you are counting the length, key and value pair represents single entity. Is it clear? That is only one entity. So who will tell me now what is the length of this dictionary?
2.
2. So remember, the length of the dictionary is 2. So remember this function. So this is about the basic functions which are used for dictionary. 1 minute.